Raju registered his old car on an online website to sell it.
Hi, I saw your car advertisement on the platform. I really liked it and I am interested in buying your car.
Glad you liked it. My car is in excellent condition. I am buying a new car, so I am selling this one. I won't negotiate the price.
Oh, don't worry about the price. I am an army personnel and I am about to retire in a month. My son wants to purchase a car and he is insisting on buying this one only.
That's great. I guess you want to check the car before buying it.
Sure, we want to inspect the car, but before that, I will send you a token amount as I don't want to lose the offer.
Okay, I will send you my account details. Please send a token amount of rupees 10,000 to seal the deal. You can send the amount by NEFT, RTGS.
I got your details. I will transfer the amount now. Thank you.
Raju again receives a call from the fraudster after 10 minutes.
Hello, I called you earlier. I have been trying to transfer the amount for the last 10 minutes, but I am unable to do so. Therefore, I will be sending you a QR code through email. Please scan the QR code so that I can send you the amount.
Okay, no problem. I got the QR code. I will scan it. I have scanned the QR code, but it is asking for my UPI PIN to proceed further.
That is correct. You must enter your PIN to receive the money.
Raju believed him and entered his UPI PIN. Subsequently, his account got debited with 70,000 rupees. Raju received the SMS alert of the debit.
Don't enter your UPI PIN to receive money from another person. UPI PIN is required only for sending a payment, not for receiving. Don't scan QR codes to receive payment. QR codes needs to be scanned for sending payment, not for receiving money. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by OneShell.